Do you like brunch, guys? Of course you like brunch, like everybody loves it. Today we are making a simple recipe for pancakes just in time for Carnaval. It is the Spanish celebration, or actually a Catholic celebration. Mostly in North America we call it Mardi Gras. It's a celebration the week before Lent starts and ends on Fat Tuesday, the day before Ash Wednesday. It's a big day in all Latin countries. Like many Catholic cultures, there is a version of flatbread or pancakes served on this day. There are a lot of variation. In Spain, they tend to fry the bread and add honey. But in North America, we eat brunch and we eat pancakes with local maple syrup. Vamos a empezar esta receta. You're gonna put it on Spanish thing, no?
Am.
Okay.
What did you say though?
Figure it out. What I have here, it's a very simple pancake recipe, and what we have is sugar, flour, cinnamon, eggs. It calls for lemon peel, and I change it to orange peel. I prefer that. You can change it anytime you want. We are gonna add some anise flavor to it, so it's gonna be a beautiful one. When we cook it, I'm gonna make some beautiful eggs and some nice chorizo. So the sweet of the pancake, the maple syrup with that spicy of the chorizo, it's fantastic. I'm gonna mix my sugar with my dry ingredients. I'll mix it. I'm mixing all the dries first because the sugar will not allow the flour to get lumpy. Milk. It's gonna become like a paste, and then we are gonna add the eggs. Don't worry, we're gonna post the recipe below. We mix it, and now my orange peel, a little bit of oil. There you go. We're gonna make it small. We're gonna add a little bit of anise here. And there you go. Boom. I'm not good at flipping, but this is pretty. So here we have, with half of the plate already eaten by me, because I have to say this recipe is so yummy. We combine the 3 pancakes with 2 eggs, some beautiful chorizo, some pomegranate, and a beautiful and nice espresso. It's perfect. Please let me know, comment below what you want to know about the recipe, if there is any doubt, and what you would like to see in future episodes. Until next time, buen provecho.